Hi everyone, this is Cindy from Hongming Joint Stock Company. Today I want to introduce our fully automatic rigid box machine, model number zd350a to you. Let's have a look. Corner taping section. The feeding height you can put 850 millimeter material and no stop AD material function. It's very convenient. It uses very thin, high temperature PET tape, thickness around 0.07 millimeter. Mark is not easy to see. 4 corners can work independently. It's good for some special rigid box, planting box, and some diagonal box. Automatic up and down paper table. Maximum you can put 600 millimeter paper, which saves much time for your work AD material. Feeder, adapter, foot pad, and app function. It avoids such 2 or more paper at the same time. Support adapter, robot, and camera, which accuracy arrives 0.05 millimeter. Here, before the box goes into the wrapper, you can see it's not pour the box directly. It rise up the box around 0.5 millimeter, which can avoid the carbon paper sketch. Wrapper can make 1 to 4 times folding, which avoids the paper sticked together when your rigid box is very high and narrow. If you want to know more about our products, please contact us. Thank you.